Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to set alarm when battery is full iPhone. Let's go. When the battery is fully charged, this helpful feature can prevent overcharging and prolong the lifespan of your phone's battery. First of all, open up the Shortcuts app. Then tap Automation at the bottom center. After that, tap on the new Automation button. Then scroll down until you see an option called Battery Level. Tap on it. Now what you want to do next is move this slider all the way to the right, which equals 100%. And then tap on the Run Immediately option. Then tap Next at the top right. Now you need to select an action to take. When the battery level is 100%, do that tap where it says New Blank Automation. Then tap on the Add Action button. Then tap on the search bar and search for Show Notification. Tap and select it from the search results. What you want to do next is change the text. To do that, tap over here and then enter whatever you want. I'm going to type in fully charged. Once you've typed that in, tap the arrow button and then make sure the play sound option is enabled. Tap Done at the top right to finish this process and close it. Now you'll get an alarm on your iPhone when the battery is at 100%. By using this simple trick, you can protect your iPhone's battery from overcharging and ensure that it stays healthy for longer. It's a great way to make sure you're not leaving your phone plugged in longer than necessary and taking care of its battery life. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.